Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add and edit YouTube upload defaults for your uploaded YouTube videos. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to the YouTube webpage, and we're going to be clicking on our face on the top right, and from here we're going to be going to our Creator Studio. Once your Creator Studio loads up, we're going to be clicking on the channel on the left, and then from here this is going to pop down and we're going to get some more information about our channel. Underneath here you should see status and features, monetization, upload defaults, branding, and advanced. From here what we want to do is click on the upload defaults tab, and we should get some more information about our videos. The first thing we can do is change our privacy. We can have it public, unlisted, or private. We can set the category in which we want our videos to be uploaded as default. We can select our YouTube license. We can have a default title on our videos, a default description, default tags that you can separate with commas. So if you want to add multiple, all you need to do is add a comma to separate them. We can allow comments, select ad formats, have ad breaks, select a language, and a bunch of other different options here. This can be really helpful if you plan to take YouTube seriously. You want to have a default description or some other things like that. It's really helpful and it can save you a lot of time. Once you're happy with all your settings, you simply want to click save on the top right. And then your YouTube upload defaults will be saved, and anytime from now on when you upload a video, you should see all of these upload defaults for your channel. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. I make all these videos for free. I always try to put the highest quality into them that I can, so if you want to support me to keep making them, I'd recommend checking it out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.